This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we are talking about pizza boxes, specifically these 3.5-inch adorable mini pizza boxes. And when I say mini, I mean mini, right? They're 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. They are so tiny and so cute, right? They come flat, which means they're easy to store, and they make great little to-go containers for samples. Say if you want to maybe do some mini pizzas with different toppings to sample, if you're doing anything like pizza for catering, these are a great little option, right? It's adorable, cute little packaging. And they're also great for things like cookies or favors, right? Especially if you have something like a pizzeria and you're looking for something to box up, maybe some tiny dessert, like some drop cookies or something easy. This is a nice little on-brand way to deliver those to your customers, right? And it just provides for like a fun little twist if you're doing something like weddings, parties, or events as a presentation for apps or desserts, or even take-home party favors, right? So you can see there's a little logo and information on the bottom. They're actually made out of recyclable paper, which is always fantastic, and they come in 100 count, but the top here is plain, so it's the perfect spot to put a stamp, right? Put a sticker on for some branding, or even a nice little sticker or a personal detail if you're doing an event and you want to kind of make everything coordinate, go together. These make nice little boxes that have a lot of different uses and purposes. So they can be a cute multi-purpose item that are easy to store because of the way they come flat like that. And they're relatively easy to fold. We folded these up pretty quickly and they stay together pretty nicely, right? Making for cute packaging for fun little favors, desserts, apps, or tiny, tiny little pizzas.